Hello everyone, I am Jyoti. I would like to present our paper towards stable significant subgroup discovery. In subgroup discovery, a binary class label is associated with each object. It aims to mine patterns having high association with a class label. The quality of a pattern is estimated by a quality function that maps a subset of objects to a real number. Our goal is to find a pattern with maximum quality. A special sub-area of subgroup discovery is significant pattern mining that mines the patterns that are unlikely to be found in random datasets. It has many applications in drug discovery, market basket analysis, and many technical domains, but the problem is that the search space of significant patterns can still be huge. So one might be interested in only finding the most significant patterns without generating all significant patterns. The existing algorithms to find the most significant patterns explores the search space of closed patterns that can take a significant amount of time, especially for the large dataset. Now question is how one can reduce the search space. Stability is one of the promising interestingness measure that considers the association between the objects. Intuition behind stability is the probability of preserving the concept intents when some objects of the context are removed. But stability is hard to compute. Delta stability approximates the stability measure and can be computed faster. So the idea is to navigate only the reduced search space of delta stable patterns. In this paper, we propose ST-SOFIA algorithm that mines the most stable significant patterns rather than just the most significant pattern. So before introducing the actual ST-SOFIA algorithm, let's see some background details. ST-SOFIA algorithm is based on the notion of projection. Projection function maps a subset of attributes to a subset of attributes satisfying these three properties. In this paper, a special projection function is considered corresponding to removal of certain attributes. This algorithm assumes ordering among attributes. Projection function phi I for a subset of attributes X removes all attributes outside of first I attributes of M. ST-SOFIA algorithm is derived from SOFIA algorithm, that is the only algorithm to find delta stable patterns directly having the delta measure value more than the specified threshold theta. SOFIA algorithm is based on series of projections. It starts with finding delta stable concepts in the most general projection that removes all attributes. Then in the next projection that removes all attributes except one attribute, and so on. Extension to it, ST-SOFIA algorithm maintains a queue that allows concepts in different projections. Initially, the queue is having only available concept in projection 0. To find the most stable significant pattern, we extract the most promising concept based on the quality function. In line number 5, pre-images of the potential concept is found with respect to the projection function. Then each pre-image is checked in the line number 7 to 14 that whether to expand it further or not. Then the pre-image is checked whether it is in the last projection or not. If it is already in the last projection, its corresponding delta measure value is none. So it is stored if and only if its quality is better than the quality known so far. If it is not in the last projection, Then it is added to the queue for expansion if and only if its delta measure value is more than theta, as well as estimate of the maximum quality of its pre-images seems promising. The correctness of ST-SOFIA algorithm follows from the original SOFIA algorithm. ST-SOFIA algorithm is compared with state-of-the-art technique top KWY, which is the only algorithm that mines the top K significant subgroups directly. The quality function used by both the algorithms is same, and it is the based on the well-known Fisher exact test. We have done experiment on 19 data sets where the number of objects varies approximately from 1000 to 5 million. The performance of ST-SOFIA depends on the delta stability threshold theta. For ST-SOFIA, we vary delta stability threshold theta from 0.5% to 3% of the number of objects. From experiments, we observed that if you will set it to less than 0.5%, you will end up in exploring almost all closed concepts. And if we will set it to more than 3%, it will affect the quality. As far as the time is concerned, the time taken by ST-SOFIA, it decreases as the theta increases, but the quality also will decrease. So this time, as shown in this figure, is without permutation testing. With permutation testing also, it is observed that the total time taken by ST-SOFIA and top KWY for more than 50% of the data sets is comparable. So we have a trade-off between the time and the quality. So it has been observed that almost for 13 out of 19 data sets we got exactly the same concept by both the algorithm, and where it is not same, the quality is comparable. So obviously from ST-SOFIA we are able to mine the same significant subgroup or subgroup with comparable quality to top KWY by navigating only a reduced search space. We have shown that stable patterns are good candidates for statistically significant patterns. Our future work is to improve efficiency, and finding the top K stable significant patterns will be interesting extension to the problem. Obviously, the pattern obtained from top KWY has equal or better quality than stable concepts. But if the search space is large enough that can't be analyzed by top KWY, ST-SOFIA can be used to obtain concepts, good concepts with comparable quality as top KWY in much less time by adjusting the delta threshold theta. Thank you for listening.